And then, bawa yung dalawang daliri sa carotid. And then, LLF. No? LLF, wala mo nang pisil sa ilong, ma'am. LLF, observe muna ng 5 seconds. Bilang, 1,001.
1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005.
Okay, 1,005. Assuming breathless ng number 6, no? Breathless. Give 2 initial blows. So, pisil sa ilong, then bugahan. Blow. Blow. Word na blow, ma'am. Blow. Word na blow. Blow.
Blow.
Yan.
Blow.
Eh, pwede yung pagbuga, i-check. Buga, check. No? Okay, sige. Then, pagkabuga, 2 blows. Then, another observe 5 seconds. LLF ulit. Dalawang daliri sa carotid. Sige. Bugahan mo muna. Blow.
Blow.
Pisil sa ilong, ma'am, ha? Okay? Then, LLF. Position sa carotid. Bilang 5 seconds.
1,001, 1,002.
Okay na, okay na, ma'am. Sige, ulit natin sa buga. Then, observe 5 seconds. Sige, dalawang buga.
Blow.
Pisil ang ilong, ha? I-practice, ma'am, ha? Hawakan, pisilin yung ilong, ma'am. Oh, yan, 1,005. So, yung inobserbahan nyo, yung action na ginawa nyo of giving breath, siyempre, obserbahan nyo kung sa tingin ninyo, dahil breathless, hindi humihinga. So, breathless. So, ibig sabihin, AR, artificial respiration, kailangan ng bugahan muna ng hangin. Okay? So, inobserbahan nyo na for 5 seconds, assuming negative pulse, negative breath. Pag negative pulse, negative breath, anong gagawin? Apply CPR. Okay, so CPR, no? Okay, i-locate nyo muna yung position. Ma'am, feet apart, knees apart, then dikit ng katawan. Doon nyo kunin sa cycloid process. Sa cycloid process na lang. Sa cycloid process na lang. Dito sa gitna, no? Yung dito. Ito.
Sa kanan.
Yan, no? Okay, so yung middle finger, isa, ito, allow me to hold your finger, yan, then, 4 finger, then sa gilid dito, heel of the palm, tap naman, yan, okay, sa gilid, huwag mong ipatong, yan, sa'yo ma'am,
Sa kanan.
middle finger, and then 4 finger, yan, yan, then interlock your fingers. I-dikit yung knee sa gilid ng body. Yes. Then 90 degrees na. Bati 90 degrees. Yun, no? 90 degrees. Pwede nakadiretso. Yun, bati ka nga. Good. Sige pa nga. Okay. So 90 degrees. Okay. Huwag nang i-bend yung elbow, ha? Ang force is kung nagaling sa balikat. Ganun, ha? Sige nga, i-check nyo na muna. Ayun, no? Ilaw, no? Sige nga, meron. Okay, so ganito. Diretso na tayo. Okay? So, ang count natin is, I know, number 8. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 20. Then 1, 2, 3, 9, and 1. And then, after na, ano yung 1? That is the cycle. Then, kayo yung magbubuga ng dalawa. Na? Buga lang na walang count ng 5 seconds. Blow, blow, no? Then continue compression. Okay? Sige, 1, 2, 3, go. 4, 5, 6, yan. One. Okay, then 2 blows, kayong dalawa. Blow. Okay, then continue. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sige, kayo mong bilang. Sige. 2 na. 2. Okay, kasi 5 cycle. Okay, continue.
8, 9, 10, 11. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, 3, dalawang
Next year.
lang.
Blow, blow.
Ayan, then, adjust, kayo na mag-confess naman dyan sa inyo. So, kayo na. Hindi na kailangan lumipat sa kabilang side. Sige, adjust na lang. Okay, ma'am, ikaw naman sa gawing ulo na. Okay, then, okay? No, ma'am, ituro din yun, ma'am. Ikaw na magturo na yun kung ano yung ginawa kanina. Okay, then, interlock your finger. Then, diretso, ma'am. Okay, lapit pa ng konti, ma'am, ng body. Dikit sa katawan. Okay, good. No, ganun, no? Okay, continue. 1, 2, 3, go.
1,
2,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1.
4. 4 na.
blow, blow.
Okay, then last cycle. Continue.
1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 5.
Okay. Okay, 5. Pag namulis na.
Blow, blow.
Okay, LLF, ma'am. LLF bilang 5 seconds. Ma'am, LLF.
1001, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005.
Okay, 1,004, 1,005. Okay, then assuming positive pulse, negative breath. Apply AR. Na, nasa number, ano, 9.
9.
Okay, so ang gagawin nyo, ma'am, blow, kayo na muna, no? Kasi yun yung position. Blow, LLF, then 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 hanggang 6, no? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2. Blow, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3 hanggang 6, ha? Dahil kayo yung magtutuloy, 7 naman sa inyo. 7 to 12. Okay, sige, go. Blow.
Blow,
LLF, LLF.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5.
1 and 1 lang, and 4 and 1. Okay, blow.
Blow, 1 and
Bitawan ng ilong, pagkabuga. Ma'am, bitawan ng ilong. Yan, no? Miss Pintogon. Okay. 1 and 2 and 3
1 and 2 and 3 and 4
and 2.
and 2.
O yan, sige. Hanggang 6.
Blow, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4
And 3. Blow.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4
And 4. Blow.
Blow,
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5.
Blow,
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 6. And then continue. 7 naman L to 12. Blow. Adjust, ma'am. Dito, ma'am. Palit kayo, ma'am. Okay, then blow.
blow,
LLF. Position dalawang daliri sa karosi. Then blow.
blow,
Yan. LLF, ma'am. Yung LLF. Yung tenga sa then 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 7. Ganun, no?
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6.
Wala na, 1 and 5 and 6 and 7. Hanggang 4. Then yung cycle. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 7. Then low, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 8.
Blow, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
1. Ayusin lang, ayusin.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4.
Para, hindi sa para malito kayo.
Sunod-sunod.
Paano nyo?
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 9.
Ha? Okay, ulit. Ayusin, ma'am. Ha?
For my end na, sir.
Oh, yes. Okay. Ibig sabihin, so ganito kaya. Okay, so dito. Ito pa kayo. Okay, konting maigit. Then the rest observe. Mga sir, dyan sa likod. Okay, titingnan natin kung hanggang saan din yung level of understanding ninyo. Okay? So, ito yun lang. Makinig. Okay? Diba 6 seconds? Every 6 seconds. So, kinuha natin dito sa blow. Blow means 1. Makinig. Blow, 1. Diba? Blow, 1 second. 1. Okay na, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 5, 4, and 1. Ano itong 1? Then 1, and then blow. Again, blow. And the next position. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 2.
2.
Up to
12.
Then hinapin natin, di ba? 6. Oh, 6. So, 1,
2 and 3 and 4 and 3.
and 6. Or 1 and 4 and 1 and 4 and 2 and 4 and 3 and 4 and 4 and 4 and 5 and 4 and 6 and 4 and 7 and 4 and 8 and 4 and 9 and 4 10 and 4 and 11 and 4 and 12. Then check pass, no? After the last blow nito, may check pass pa tayo, no? Check pass. Yan na. Okay. So, ganun. So, hanggang ilang cycle na kayo?
6.
Oh.
Natapos
Oh, sige, sa 7 muna. Sige, ulitin nyo. Gawin nyo up to 7 na, no? Okay, blow. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 8. Ganon.
Blow.
And the left. Position dalawang daliri sa karupin. Sige, go.
Blow. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 6.
8 na. Sabi nyo, 7 na kayo kanina. So, bitawan ng ilong ha, pagkabugahan. Sige, go.
Blow.
Nila?
Bitawan ng ilong, ma'am, Miss Antonio.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4.
9. 1 and 2 and 3.
Bugahan nyo muna. Tinuloy-tuloy nyo eh. Buga muna. Mas madali. Concentrate sa counting. Buga muna, sige.
Blow. Blow. 1 and 2 and 1 and 4 and 3 and 4. 8. Blow. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 9. Blow. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 10. Blow. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 11. Blow. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 12.
Then last blow. Then bilang 5 seconds. Sige, blow.
Blow.
And the left. 1001.
1,001, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6.
Lumagpas na.
1,005.
So, lumagpas. 5 seconds. Okay, you see, yun yung crucial sa first batch. Kaya, the best sa second batch, dapat medyo mabilis na. Ha? Okay. Now, afterwards, okay, assuming positive pulse, positive breath.
Ma'am Rachel.
Ay. Yes. Hindi na. Hindi.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Sino yun?
Yes, no. Proceed si Madam Mayor. Proceed.
Okay. Now. Okay, so assuming positive pulse, positive breath, the victim is revived. Yun na, revived na. Nasa number 10. Okay? So, sino yung huling nag-counting? Kayo, di ba?
Kabilas.
So, kayo naman ang mag-head to toe examination. So, palitan. No? Sige. Kapa, pababa sa ilalim ng ano. Ano.
Good sa likod.
Baba.
Yan.
Yan. Okay? And then, assuming no injury, turn to recovery position. So, itabi muna natin yan. Okay? Tuturo ko sa inyo yung turn to recovery position. Sa gilid. So, papakita ko sa inyo.